guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie, and today I'm going to show you how I come up with an everyday purpley makeup look. I know there are a lot of people that shy away from this shade, but you know what? You can definitely wear this in the daytime, nighttime, it doesn't matter. It's definitely a color you can wear any time of day, whenever you want. So if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so starting off with my face, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. This is supposed to help shine control, locks in makeup, quick drying, and it's oil free. It really feels tacky on the skin, so I'm guessing this is similar to the Nivea Men's Shave Balm thing I remember a while back. This is supposed to, I guess, help lock in the makeup, just like it says. I guess that's what's supposed to, you're supposed to feel, you know, so yeah. That's that. But I'm not going to actually go in with foundation just yet. I'm going to let this set, and I am going to fill in my brows real quick just because that takes me so long. You guys know that. So I am just going to do this really quickly. Okay, now that I'm done filling in my brows, I'm going to go in and clean them up a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit of this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the shade 25. Alright, now that I'm done cleaning up my brows and applying a little bit of concealer onto the lid as an eyeshadow base, I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Powder and set the eye. So moving on to the eyes, today I'm going to go in with that Morphe Boss Mood palette. If you guys saw my last video, you guys saw how beautiful that eye look came out. So because of that, I'm excited to use the rest of these shadows right here. They're absolutely stunning. They blend really well, and I just love the shades that are in this palette. They're just gorgeous. So I think today I'm going to go in with some browns and purples, and the reason for that is because I am wearing my purple sweater. I know sometimes it looks like I'm not wearing anything at all, you guys, but I definitely am. It's just I feel more comfortable like being free up top, okay? But yeah, so I think I'm gonna go with something purple, and yes, I am going to create an everyday purple eye makeup look because I know purples are hard to work with and they are just a little bit too much for like an everyday look, but I'm going to create something really suitable for everyday on the go. And yeah, because I have to go do a couple things and I don't want to look all glam. I just want to look put together, and I feel like wearing a little bit of color today. So we're going to start with this shade right here. I'm going to go in with, and that is called, let me see, 4-5 down, and that is called Play It Cool. So I'm just going in with a blending brush and using this as my transition shade. Alright, now moving in with this shade right here, and that is called Peachy Keen. I'm going to apply that right over that transition shade. Just going to darken it up just a little bit. I'm also bringing it down just a tad bit to the lid in like an angle. Also kind of shaping it into like a V. Alright, so for the next shade, I'm going to go in with this one right here. This is called Vampy Vixen. And with that, I'm grabbing my Morphe M433 brush. And I'm just going to apply that right on top of that. Alright, I don't like this brush right now. So I'm just going to go back in with that blending brush that I used before. It was the MAC brush. I didn't like how that was applying. I feel like the brush is no good anymore. I need to get another one, which I have, but I don't feel like looking for it. So I'm going to go in again with that Morphe M433 brush and just do the same thing on this side because I want it to come out the same. So now I'm going to go back in with that blending brush and just blend everything nicely together. Alright, now I'm going to go with this one right here. This one is called Power Slayer. It's this beautiful purple shade right here. And I'm going to apply that all over the lid with this is a BH Cosmetics flat brush. Alright, I think I'm going to switch brushes. This is the eye shading brush from Sigma. So I'm just going to grab this brush and just blend this out a bit. There we go. That's looking better. Alright, so now I'm grabbing my Morphe M506 brush. It's this one right here. And I'm going to grab a little bit of this Vampy Vixen and Candy Crush shade right here. I'm going to blend those two together just to brighten up warm up the look a little bit because it's looking a little bit too cool toned and you need something to break it up a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to go back in with a clean blending brush. Just blend that out. And now I'm going to grab this shade right here. It's a nice like shimmery shade. It's called Light of the Party. And I'm just going to apply that on the inner corner just like that. Alright, so my eyes are pretty much done. I'm going to move on to the face. This is the NYX Pore Filler Primer. And of course you guys know, if you guys have seen my videos, you guys know that I need to apply a pore filling primer in all of my looks because you'll see my pores. So I don't want that. I want my face to look flawless at all times. Even if I am not going for like a super glam look, I still want to make sure that my pores are non-visible. I'm actually going to spray a little bit more of that Rimmel Stay Matte primer. Alright, the only reason why I applied it is because the tackiness is gone and I feel like the tackiness is going to help keep my makeup in place all day, so that is the only reason why I applied it. Alright, so for foundation today I'm going to go in with this one. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. To blend out my foundation, I'm going to go in with my Real Technique sponge. For concealer, I'm going to stick it with the same brand, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm going to mix both 20 and 25. To blend all that, I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge again. To bronze up my face, I'm going to go in with this one from Maybelline as well. This is the Fit Me foundation. It's the Shine and Free, but I use it as a contour shade or as a bronzing shade, and this is the shade Coconut. And to blend that out, I'm going to go in with this Real Techniques brush that I really love. And you guys know that I use this pretty much in all of my videos. To set my under eye, I'm going to go in with this one from Rimmel. This is the Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of that on the under eye. I'm going to go in with this one from LA Colors. This is the I Love Makeup Contour Palette. And I'm going to grab a little bit of this shade here and this shade here, mix them together, and just bronze up my face a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to add a little bit of blush, and today's blush is this one. It's kind of busted, I'm not going to lie, so I don't really want to show you guys, but this is the Milani Romantic Rose, and mine actually finally cracked. Oh, it's so sad. It's really hollow at the bottom. It's not even like really like a full pan, to be honest, now that I actually see what it looks like. But I'm grabbing a brush and just applying a little bit of blush on the cheeks. I don't think I really want to apply any lashes today, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my eyelash curler and just curl the lashes that I have and apply tons of mascara. Before I apply any mascara, I want to finish off the lower part of the eyes. I'm going to go in with that brown shade, this one and this one right here, the ones I use in my transition. I'm going to grab that, tap it off, and this is the Morphe M321 brush. And I'm just applying that on the lower lash line. Because if I don't add anything to the lower lash line, I'm going to look crazy as hell. I just feel like the look is not complete until you add a little bit of something on the lower lash line. So, alright, so now for mascara, I'm going to go in with this one. This is the Essence Volume Stylist, the 18-hour Lash Extension Mascara. For my lower lashes, I like to go in with a different mascara, and this is the L'Oreal Telescopic. Alright, so I like to wear a little bit of highlight. You don't have to. You can definitely omit this. I'm going to go in with a Becca Opal highlighter, and I'm going to grab a fan brush. And the reason why I want to grab a fan brush is because it's going to apply just a little bit more subtle, I feel like, you know. So I'm just going to grab a little bit, tap off, and just apply it right where we usually apply it. Alright, so we're almost done with the look. Today I'm going to go in with this MAC lip liner from Whirl. I'm going to keep the lips really, really simple just because the eyes are just the focus point of the look. And now on top of that, I'm going to put this Fenty Beauty lip gloss that I am absolutely in love with. To finish off and set the look, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!